So out of the woodwork pops the news that the technical leadership of Jamaica's football will be embarking on a national football philosophy, starting with the appointment of national coaches across all age groups, both male and female. But this idea of a singular national football philosophy, it is puzzling to me. Let us say that the Jamaican philosophy will be based on exploiting our natural speed. That is a simple fundamental of the modern game. So we don't need a national philosophy to tell us to exploit our speed. And if speed is our philosophy, what then if the national under-15 team, for example, don't have a speedy forward? We're going to still play with speed? You see, modern football is played in a universal way without any country or national federation owning any style of play. So all right then, question, what philosophy does Argentina employ? What about France, or Belgium, or England, or Egypt, or Nigeria? I'm out.